Watch yourself in there. Says here the joint's hired fixers for private security. They tend to shoot first and ask questions never.
Yeah, I'll hack in under the radar. They'll never know I was there. Nikki, it's me.
Aiden! Where are you? There's men everywhere. The guard here, he just... I don't know what happened.
Listen, I know. I'm getting you out. I'm gonna stay on the phone, and I'm gonna walk you out.
No! They'll find me.
Nikki, there's a gun there. I want you to pick it up, just in case.
Oh, God. This is crazy. Aiden, I don't know guns. I shot him.
We gotta move. Listen to my voice.
I think I killed him.
Nikki, listen to me. We're gonna move now. I'm gonna guide you every step.
He was still breathing. The guy I shot, I think he was still breathing. Should we maybe call 911? I haven't shot a gun since hunting with Dad. That was just stupid rabbits.
Move ahead.
What if I killed him? I think I killed that guy. I didn't mean to. It just went off.
Okay, now. Go, go.
Did you see his face? He couldn't believe I shot him. He brought me blankets last night. We should go back. We could still save him.
Nikki, listen to my voice. Right now, we're gonna get you out.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Go, go.
Okay,
Stay
wait.
low.
I don't understand how you can do this. This isn't a way to live. Here goes. Is this what you do? You kill people? Aiden, that's not you. Is it? Here I go.
Just make a run for that car. Get in and drive. Don't look back. All right. You're in the clear. But we need to get you and Jax out of town.
Jackson's okay? Oh God, he said you were dead. He said he'd kill me.
Relax, we're here.
Where's Jax? I need to see him now.
He's safe. With Yolanda. You're going there now. I'll meet you. Get Jax, stay low, and no phones. Don't even let him use his tablet until this is over.
Whatever this is, Aiden, please. Please let it go. Hear me? Let it go.
Here to back you up. Run him off the road! Whoa! Speed pipe blue! Take him out! Ran him off the road!
Crash into him! Ram him! The road, look out! Stupid damn car! Go on ahead! Lost him! Gotcha! Stop! He can't just disappear! He has to be close, look around! Find him!
That's it. I've made up my mind.
Seriously? Oh, man.
Can't keep admiring him from a distance. He's perfect, and I have to tell him.
Whatever happens, I'm here for you, buddy. I mean it.
Just forget it, he's gone.
Better with words. You know, I'm no poet.